6 on Your Side's Jessica Taylor joins us in studio with details on the arrests and the special task force taking on the problem in tonight's Finding Hope.
Nampa Police say they're seeing more heroin now than ever before, and the drug traffickers they're targeting aren't just applying to Nampa, but the entire Treasure Valley. It doesn't stop with heroin. Fentanyl's mixed into the problem.
We're seeing a lot more heroin cases now than we used to.
Nampa Police Department's Special Investigation Unit has its hands full. 5 large quantity heroin arrests occurred between November of 2018 and April of 2019, all adding up to be one of the biggest heroin busts in Nampa history. 4 arrests from out-of-staters with local ties. The most recent bust came from Salt Lake City.
126 grams of heroin, 2,450 grams of methamphetamine, and 55 fentanyl pills disguised as oxy.
Following a heroin overdose last year, Nampa Police created the special task force to watch out for heroin entering the state.
I don't think it's just Nampa alone. A lot of these people were supplying the Treasure Valley.
Luis Acevedo was arrested trafficking 509 grams of heroin from Portland, Oregon.
Just to give you an idea of how much 509 grams of heroin is, the average dose of heroin is 1/10 of a gram, so which is considered a point. So that's a very large amount of heroin and would affect a lot of people.
Detectives say it's a 6,000% increase in the amount of heroin seized between the months of January and April just in the past year. Police say according to the state labs, most of the heroin coming in is laced with fentanyl.
It's cheaper, it's easier to mix in, and it doubles the amount of actual product that they have, and it is more potent.
Fentanyl is also entering disguised as counterfeit oxycodone pills.
They're not under any regulation, so there's no telling how much fentanyl is in there, and a very small amount can kill you.
Health providers warn consuming fentanyl increases the dangers of a drug overdose.
The medicine that we use to reverse the Narcan, it lasts about as long as regular heroin, but it doesn't last as long as the fentanyl.
Police say they don't believe the pills are being made locally, but they're targeting mid-level traffickers within the city to learn more. At least 10 other Treasure Valley individuals have been indicted for drug trafficking and heroin, but Nampa Police couldn't tell us those names since the investigation is still ongoing. Reporting live in studio, Jessica Taylor, 6 on Your Side.
Boy, the